So you made a Canva video. Let's upload it to Instagram Reels step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to upload a Canva video to Instagram Reels easily. There are a couple of ways to do it, but I will show you that's easy and work for everyone. Right now, I am in Canva and my video is in the Instagram Reels format, that's 9:16 vertical layout. I am uploading it as a reel, so if you want to post it as a regular square video, that's a different method. It's really depend on what you need. So once your video is ready, go to the top right corner, click share, and the best and easy way is just to click download and make sure the file type is set to MP4 and set the quality at is it. Now hit the download button. So once your video is downloaded, go to instagram.com, click create, and all you have to do is to drag your video or photos right here. So I'm going to drag my video and wait for a while. So to change it to a reel, look at the bottom left corner, click on this reel icon, and you can choose it original, or even if you want, if you can go for 9:16. That tells Instagram to post it as a reel, not just a regular post. Okay, I'm going to go original. Now click next. And now you will see the cover section. Even you can pick a frame from a video or upload any custom cover from your computer. And you can also trim the video if needed. Now click next. And you can change the reel settings as you like. Even if you want, you can add captions for your video. So I'm typing ocean live. So I am done typing. Now there are advanced settings. If you want to explore just on your phone, you can do it. And I'm done here, so I'm going to click share. Then you have to wait for a while. And boom, your reels is posted on Instagram. And if you want, you can also check it in your Instagram profile and see it's been uploaded, and your video will show here, and you can also ready to get views. So that's it. That's how you upload a Canva video to Instagram Reel. It was quick and simple. Hope this was helpful, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.